If you're looking for a solid government engineering college through TNEA, let's talk about the Government College of Engineering in Sangipati, Thanjavur. And for your choice filling, make sure you have this code handy, 3464.
Right off the bat, here's the most important thing you need to know. This is a Government of Tamil Nadu college. And what does that mean for you? It means every single seat is filled based purely on merit through TNEA counseling. There's absolutely no management quota here.
So, first things first, let's get a clear picture of the college's foundation and its core identity as a government institution.
Okay, let's break down the fundamentals. The full name is the Government College of Engineering Sangipati, Thanjavur, and it's affiliated with Anna University, Chennai. It's a government college, it's co-educational, and remember, admissions are 100% through TNEA counseling. It's a level playing field for everyone. The college was established back in 2013 by the Government of Tamil Nadu, but it's not standing still. In fact, it's seen some serious recent upgrades, like a brand new indoor stadium and a modern manufacturing lab. That shows a real, ongoing investment in the students and their facilities.
Next up, let's look at what you can actually study here. We'll dive into the engineering programs and the opportunities available for the upcoming admissions. So, how many spots are we talking about? For the TNEA 2026 admissions, there are a total of 360 undergraduate seats available across all branches. That's 360 opportunities to get your engineering journey started. And here are the specific branches you can add to your choice list. You've got computer science, that's code CS, electronics and communication, code EC, electrical and electronics, or EEE, that's code EE, mechanical, ME, civil, CE, and a very forward-thinking new addition, Robotics and Automation, with the code RA.
Now that new BE in Robotics and Automation is a really big deal. It's a clear signal that the college is keeping its curriculum modern and aligned with what the industry actually needs. This gives you a direct path into a really high-growth, new-age field.
All right, academics are one thing, but what's life actually like on campus? I mean, this is potentially your home for the next 4 years. Let's talk about the community and day-to-day living. The first question for so many parents, especially if you're not from the area, is about accommodation. Well, here's your answer. Yes, separate and dedicated hostel facilities are available for both boys and girls right on campus. And beyond just a place to stay, the campus is well equipped. There's a college bus service to make commuting easier. That new indoor stadium we mentioned, that was a massive 8.6 crore rupee project. You also have a gym, a canteen on campus, and of course the essentials like a library and computer labs. In terms of getting there and back, the college's main connection point is Thanjavur. It's the nearest major city and it has the railway station, so it's pretty accessible for students traveling from across the state.
Okay, let's talk about the end game. What happens after the 4 years are done? Let's focus on your path to a career, looking at placements and the college's industry connections. So, the college has a very active placement cell, and they work hard to bring major companies right to the campus for recruitment. Let's take a look at some of the names that have hired from here.
Now, this list of recruiters is really encouraging. You see a great mix of IT services and core engineering giants. You've got top IT companies like TCS, Wipro, Infosys, HCL, and Cognizant. And right alongside them are core companies like L&T, TVS, and Hyundai. This kind of variety suggests strong career opportunities no matter which branch you pick. So how does the college get you ready for these top companies? Well, a huge advantage here is their active participation in the government's non-Moodle scheme. This isn't just an extra certificate course. It gives you access to specialized, industry-focused training in high-demand areas like 5G, SaaS, and digital manufacturing. You're learning the exact skills companies are hiring for right now. And to make that industry connection even stronger, the college has official partnerships, signed MOUs with companies like Veranda Race Learning Solutions, Jadayu Software Technology, and Sivastuthu Infotech. These are all geared towards specific training programs for both students and faculty. All right, let's close out with two very important topics: the college's official credentials and the kind of financial support systems that are in place for students. First and foremost, the college and all of its programs are approved by the All India Council for Technical Education, or AICTE. This is the official seal of approval, a non-negotiable benchmark for any quality technical institution in India. And to make sure that a government education is truly accessible, there's a wide range of scholarships available.
We're talking about state government scholarships for SC/ST, first graduates, and the BC/MBC/DNC communities. Plus, there are central government scholarships for minority and OBC students, and also the Saksham Scholarship for students with disabilities.
As we wrap up, just a quick note. All the information we've presented here today is based on data sourced directly from the college's official website and trusted government portals at the time we prepared this.
We've covered the key highlights of the Government College of Engineering, Thanjavur. To compare it with other colleges on your list and continue your research, visit profsam.com, your true source for 12th to engineering decisions.